In 2024, YouTube continues to be a powerhouse for content creators, offering vast opportunities for those who can navigate its ever-evolving landscape. To succeed on YouTube in 2024, content creators must focus on several key elements: audience engagement, content quality, SEO optimization, and diversification. One, audience engagement. Building a strong connection with your audience is paramount. In 2024, viewers are looking for content that is not only entertaining, but also interactive and relatable. Engage with your audience through comments, polls, and live streams. Use these interactions to tailor your content to their preferences and keep them coming back for more. 2. Content quality. With the rise of high-definition video and immersive experiences, content quality is more important than ever. Invest in high-quality cameras, microphones, and editing software to ensure your videos are visually appealing and professional. Additionally, focus on storytelling and narrative structure to keep viewers engaged from start to finish. 3. SEO optimization. SEO, search engine optimization, is crucial for ensuring your videos reach a wider audience. In 2024, YouTube's algorithm continues to prioritize videos with strong SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags, and optimize your thumbnails and video length for maximum visibility. 4. Diversification. To thrive on YouTube in 2024, content creators must diversify their content across multiple platforms. Consider creating shorter, more digestible content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram to reach new audiences. Additionally, explore new formats such as podcasts and live streams to keep your content fresh and engaging. 5. Collaboration and networking. Collaborating with other content creators can help expand your reach and introduce your channel to new audiences. In 2024, focus on building relationships with other creators in your niche and look for opportunities to collaborate on videos or cross-promote each other's channels. 6. Analytics and optimization. Regularly review your channel analytics to gain insights into what is working and what isn't. Use this data to optimize your content strategy, identify trends, and refine your approach to better serve your audience. 7. Community building. Building a strong community around your channel can help drive engagement and loyalty. In 2024, focus on creating a welcoming and inclusive environment for your viewers and encourage them to interact with each other as well as with your content. Conclusion. In conclusion, succeeding on YouTube in 2024 requires a strategic approach that prioritizes audience engagement, content quality, SEO optimization, and diversification. By focusing on these key elements and staying attuned to the latest trends, content creators can position themselves for success in the ever-evolving world of online video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel 10 Mins Info for more tips and tricks on content creation and other inspirational video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.